Can you see me? Right, so for this, pretty easy. First thing you need is some oil, used oil. The more used, the better. When I say used, I mean in an engine, not just some random dirty oil that you've got. The reason why you want used oil is for the carbon deposits in it. Your bolt, some pliers because they're going to get hot, and then some form of way of heating the bolt. So this gas torch is about 10 quid on Amazon, pretty easy, pretty cheap, should I say, and easy to use. So first step, let's get it hot. A bit of discoloration on there. I'm sure that they coat these in something and I should really clean them. So I'm just going to get that off. That's what you see. That's what I want it to be looking clean. So let's get that hot again. Once it's hot, it should be about there. You can usually tell by the colouring, but I'm not going to tell you what colours what, I can't remember. Basically, you just don't want it to be glowing red. And we're going to dip it out. Remember, we want it to burn. Obviously, don't sit downwind of this. I'm using a nice windy day on purpose to stay away from the fumes. Obviously not windy enough. There we go. So I'm going to give that one more blast. Perfect. So if you compare the two, see. I'm just going to repeat that and then stick it on Fat Bob. Easy as that. And also, one of the best things about doing this is it's not just the colour, it rust proofs the bolts. So I'm told. We'll see in a few years. There we go, guys. So that is all the bolts at the front done. I'm just waiting for one that sits in the back there to cool down here to put back in, but you guys get the idea. So yeah, hope you like that one. Makes a big difference, doesn't it? Thank you.